OpenAI just dropped an image model inside ChatGPT and it is mind-blowing. It doesn't just generate great visuals, it lets you remix them, define your own styles, and go way beyond simple results. In this video, I will show you how to use its features. Let's dive in. Okay, so today I want to talk about the new image model that OpenAI launched yesterday, and it's quite amazing. I think this is the most powerful AI model that generates image that I saw. It creates very precise images, also with different styles. I want to show you how to work with the tool. For example, I write here the Cookie Monster eat pizza and I execute it now, and now it will create an image. Okay, I need to ask it for an image, one moment. So now it's created an image. The results are very precise, but also it's take the model time to generate them. It's not fast as we had before. It finished the work, and as you can see here, the Cookie Monster eat pizza. But I want to show you another way to work with this model, more advanced way that will give you much more abilities. So for do it, we will go to Sora. And in Sora, there are more features that help us to create images. So I move now to Sora. So now in Sora, you can enter to sora.com. And if you have ChatGPT account, it will open you this Sora page without need to log in. So here we are. First of all, you can generate here images or video. I will focus on images now. Here, as you can see, there is a long feed of many images that people generated. So you can see what people does with the new image model of OpenAI. And to be honest, it's quite impressive. I saved some good images so we can see what images it can generated. I click now here on likes, and here there is some example of images that I found they can be very interesting. As you can see here, this image of Sesame Street, this 3D illustration, this image that for me it's amazing. I mean, look the reflection on the board. Apart of that, you can see here this poster that basically you can think about it that it's amazing. It's like a designer designed it, the typography, the sizes. When I see it, I remember how long time it took to me to understand how to organize typography on a poster. And here, with one click, it's make a very good job. It's impressive. Another thing that you can see here, for example, this pixel art, this type of posters, also stickers. This one is very interesting. You can see here a can of the Monster drink with the Nutella flavor. But look how accurate it's, how precise. It's quite amazing. I can go more and more here. You can see more images here, like Karl Marx go from a shopping mall, something like that. Very funny one. And you can see here the difference, like a Coca-Cola flavor, jalapeno and pineapple. Interesting. But I want to show how to work with the tool in advanced way. So I go now to Explorer. Let's back here. And then here you can select between images and video. We can select now images. Here you can select the aspect ratio between 1:1, 2:3, 3:2. If you click here, you can see how many versions of images Sora will generate for you. You have 3 options, 1, 2, and 4 images to generate. Apart of that, and that is the most important thing here, here you have custom instruction for different styles that you want to do. For example, you have a company and you have one style, you work always with it. So you can configure this specific style. There is some default from OpenAI. You can see architectural, film noir, and more. But if I click here on manage, I can add a new style, add it a name, and some preset. So for example, this one for OpenAI, film noir, you can see here the prompt, theme film noir, the colors, the camera, and the lighting. So if there is a style that you work also and you want that all the images will generate based on this style, basically you can configure it here, and then it will be easier for you to create images. I added here again image of the Cookie Monster eating pizza. Let's change the pizza to, for example, apple. So 2 things that I will do now. First of all, I will generate it as is, and I will generate another one with a predefined style. For example, I click here, image of the Cookie Monster eats apple, and here I will select about the top pixel art by Sora. Select this one and send. There is 2 images on the queue, and after it will generate, it will send me a message to show me it's generated. If you want to see it how it's created, just go to my media, and here you can see the process of the generation. So here 12% and here 50%. Okay, it's finished the work. As you can see here, here is the Cookie Monster eat an apple, and here is the Cookie Monster eat an apple with 8 pixel style. Another thing that you can do once the image is generated, you can click here on Remix, and here you have a brush and you can make changes on the image. So for example, you can see here the brush. I will select the apple and I will write here, for example, jalapeno. So I want to change, if we will be able to change it to jalapeno, I click on Remix, and let's wait 1 moment until it will finish the work. In the meantime, it's work, just let you know that you can create a video from it or edit the prompt, as you can see here. So one moment, let's see the final result of the jalapeno with the Cookie Monster. It finished the work, as you can see here, 2 images that Cookie Monster eat jalapeno. So this is all for this video. And one thing before we finish, if you are searching for a product designer to help you in your product, landing page, website, or application, my information in the description. Feel free to reach out anytime. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Take care.